What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to be changing the engine air filter in a Kia Soul. This is a 2010 model here, but it will be the same on several different years. So let's go ahead and take a look. This is going to be the housing for our filter right here, and there's two snaps we need to undo. One here and one here. And after you undo those, you can just pull that straight up to get it up out of your way. Now we can see the filter here. Okay, the old one, that one's not too dirty, but go ahead and change it. Grab our new one, and you'll see one of the edges is kind of squared off, so you'll know which way it's supposed to go in. Get that sitting in there properly. Then we need to line up these two tabs into here and here. Like that. And then just snap those two covers back on. And that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.